You poking him in the head?
I don't know if I'm poking him.
Hey, see?
Hi, turtle.
Oh, come here, turtle.
Turtle.
He's so big. Come here, turtle.
He's big.
Oh. The turtle's probably like, leave me alone.
Come here, the turtle.
Because he jumped.
He's saying, leave me alone. He's right. He said, leave me alone, you big fart head.
It's not.
Turtle. You quit messing around. Turtle.
Take a picture. Take it.
Hi, turtle.
Take it.
Hi. Are you gonna come out?
Hmm?
He's like, I ain't coming out for you. What are you talking about?
We're talking about
So, what's the turtle's name?
cup.
Cup.
Cup. Hi, Cup. Hi.
He won't come out that because he's scared of you.
Oh, he's scared of you.
No, he's scared of you.
Oh, will he go back in?
Watch it. Watch it.
Go back there.
Watch in there.
Hmm?
Watch. He gotta do this. Watch.
Yesterday when we did it, he ran right in, didn't he, Riley?
Yeah, he just jumped in. Like a blink of the morning. Like he said, go take a picture.
No way, he's coming out. Look out.
Take a picture right now. Take it.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. Oh, there he goes. There goes Cup.
Okay, clean the water.